Good afternoon, respected teacher and my dear friends. Today, I'm not here to just give a speech. I'm here to say something that actually matters. Something that you will carry with you long after leaving this room. So let me ask you some question, and I want you to answer. Not to me, but to yourself. And the questions are, have you ever had an idea but stayed quiet because you were afraid? Have you ever wanted to try something new but stopped yourself because you thought you would fail? Have you ever looked at someone doing something and thought you would never do that? I think every single person in this room has felt at least one of those, or maybe all. If yes, then listen carefully. Because the thing I'm going to say is only for you. And the thing is, most people think that confidence is a gift that some people are born with it, and others are not. But, my friend, this is completely wrong. Confidence is not a gift. It is a skill, and just like any other skill, anyone can learn it, including you. And if you don't believe, let me give you example. Do you know Warren Buffett? He is one of the most powerful investors. Once he was afraid of public speaking that he could not speak in meeting. Then he joined public speaking class. He practiced daily, and today he speaks in front of 1,000 people with a confidence. Do you know Beyonce? She is one of the most famous singers. She used to tremble with fear before going on a stage. She was so nervous. Then she created a confident character in her own mind to perform on a stage. Do you think these people were born confident? No, they were scared too, just like you and me. But they kept showing, they kept trying, and slowly they grew stronger. Now, let me tell you what confidence really means. Because I think we all have wrong idea about it. We think confident people feel no fear. They are always ready, they are always calm, or naturally they are old and brave. But this is not true. Being confident does not mean having no fear. It means doing the thing even though you are afraid. Like when you raise your hand, even though you might be wrong, that is confidence. When you speak, even though your heart is racing, that is confidence. When you try something new, even though you might fail, that is confidence. The only difference between you and the confident people is they also feel fear, but they do it anyway. Now, the biggest question, how you can build confidence? I tell you. And this is the most important thing I want to remember today. Confidence is not built in a one day. It is built in a small moment and every single day. The moment when you speak, even your voice is shaking, that is one thing. The moment when you raise your hand, even though you are not sure for the answer, that is one thing. The moment when you try something scary, even you survive it, that is one thing. Every small thing you do is a brick, and brick by brick, you build something solid, something unshakable. And remember this, the people who wait until they feel ready, they never start. Because the feeling of ready does not come before the action, it comes after the action. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start, and the confidence will come. Now, I want to end with a quote that I fully believe. It is not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. It means the greatest battle is not outside you. It is always the one that is happening inside you. And the moment you decide to face that battle, everything starts changing. So today, I want you to do just one thing. Say the word that you have been holding back to say. Take the step that you have been afraid to take. Or try the things that excite you and scares you at the same time. Because that is where confidence lives. Not in the people who are born with it, in the people who choose to let it. At last, you are more stronger than you think. Let's come and prove it. Thank you.